Good morning, folks. This is Shane Timmons with Guarantee RV Supercenter. Today we're looking at the 27.5L in the Arctic Fox. It's a nice short floor plan, not real big. It's only 29 feet, so it's not the big monster that everybody else has. This one here has a mow-ride hitch on it, which is very nice for traveling. It takes a lot of the vibration, a lot of the movement away from your truck, so definitely top in industry. What I like about the Arctic Fox is a lot of little things that they do. They'll use the diamond plating on this. You got some storage underneath here. Batteries go in here as well. They put both tanks on one side. Real easy in and out there. Extra storage back up in here. Pretty much anywhere they can put a cubby hole, they will. One thing I really like to point out, this is a true 4-season coach. And also it's on a third-party certified off-road suspension. So when Ron Nash actually went into business, he came out with the theory he was going to make the best elk hunting rig that he could possibly come up with. And so he focused on the chassis first. You have a shock over system, very, very heavy duty. Nobody even compares to it. Fiberglass wall, this is pretty common in the industry. Come on inside. This is really what kind of sets this trailer apart. One, you got just a ton of storage. You got a huge pantry, lots of overhead shelving all the way around. So as you can see, I'll step back here. That's always a big deal for anybody who's staying any period of time. Right in the back we have, it's called a rear kitchen. So it gives you the wraparound feature back here with the Corian solid surface countertops. If you notice, you can actually do the dishes. That's a nice big tub sink. And it's stainless steel, so much easier to clean. It doesn't scratch nearly as bad as plastic. Convection microwave. Put that back in there. Convection microwave. It's if you're not familiar with that, you can bake with it. You don't have to use the microwave, or you can use the microwave. So it's dual both ways. Just like your oven down here, it cooks real evenly. So you basically have two ovens in this thing. 3-burner propane stove. Again, the lid's a nice bonus. This is the Northwood, gas or electric. You're not limited to just one. And this is the bigger 8 cubic foot refrigerator. What I always notice, you're not here to see it, but if you put your hand in this refrigerator, it's cool to the touch. And there's been no power going to it. Little things like that. You know it's well insulated trailer, or excuse me, refrigerator. Overhead storage up here. So pretty much anywhere you can find a spot to put a shelf or a drawer or a door or anything, they've done it on this coach. And it's real wood. There's no imitation wood. It's not laminated wood. It's real solid wood. The oak doors are really nice. Got high class Thomas Paine reclining wall hugger window or chairs with the chairs that are freestanding with a little extra leaf spring. This coach isn't overly big. Again, it's more for the compact user, which is becoming more and more popular in the economy the way it is right now. You got one slide out. It's a super slide out, but it's a good 38 inches. You come up into here. This has a really big, well laid out bathroom. Got the solid surface countertop sink, which is actually usable. You can wash your hands in it. You have a medicine cabinet that's actually got some space back there. It's not just a tiny little medicine cabinet, but you'll have to walk around to get that. There we go. So usable. It's not just there for decoration. Nice big shower. It's bigger than most corner showers. And you got a spot that you can sit down and actually relax if you need to. detachable head in the shower, so not limited to your washing area. Then your slide out is the wardrobe slide out. So there's two slides on this coach and they're both on the same side. A lot of people don't think about this, but when you have a slide out on both sides, it cuts into your awning space. So just another, oh yeah, that when you go to actually use the coach is just another friendly reminder of they were thinking about you. You got storage underneath the bed. And if you notice, pillow top mattress on both sides. The door doesn't normally go here. They're actually repairing it, so sometimes these things do get bumped and bruised in transportation, so we take care of that. Cabinets on both sides. One thing I like to point out, it's got the nice finished off cabinetry. You don't have to worry about bumping your head. Some of them hang down here on different ones. Not real big fan of that. So you got a shelf on both sides for this one. Outlets, you got the USB ports, you have a 12-volt charging station and 110. So basically you can sit in bed, use CPAP machines, whatever you need, and you have a little remote control for your skylight and your fantastic fan, which is dual directional, goes both ways, so which is really pretty handy. Anyway, this is the Arctic Fox. Once again, my name is Shane. Please get a hold of me on this unit. I've only got one right now. They're very high demand. This is the #1 selling floor plan. Call me at 503-707-2393. We don't just sell fun, we guarantee it.